Do you find yourself talking more than other people in the room? Kia ora, hi, I'm Craig Johns, CEO and founder of Energy to Perform, international speaker, high performance leadership expert, and host of the Active CEO podcast. Today we're talking about listening is the sound of intelligence. Listening is the art of fully understanding and connecting with people. Many people think they need to speak more to be heard and show that they either understand a topic or have the right answer. Asking a question and intentionally focusing on listening is the art of intelligence. So here are 3 steps that you can take to be a better listener so you become more intelligent. Number 1, ask a question. Very simple. The more you ask questions, the more you learn. The more you learn, the more intelligent you become. It's not by speaking, it's by listening. So ask a question and think about a question that creates a thought-provoking answer. Number 2, listen intently. Focus on the person who's speaking. Remove distractions. Stay relaxed, calm. Interact with the conversation. Do less talking and more listening. And then number 3, ask another question. So number 1, ask a question. Number 2, listen intently. And 3, ask another question. Because listening is the sound of intelligence. I'm Craig Johns, the Active CEO, where the ordinary don't belong.